cars are designed and built for a purpose. And that's kind of my whole motive, shooting this video and getting the word out about what it is that we're doing, about our events coming up, is that you're designed for a purpose too. Maybe you just haven't taken the time to put in the plan, the design for what you're supposed to become. Hi, Vincent Gilmer here. Come on in. Welcome to my home. A lot of people ask me what it takes to become successful in life, and I try to explain to people that I focus my time and energy very, very well. In fact, I have a time management system that allows people to focus their energies very, very well. So you're going to see a lot of my lifestyle here today. You're also going to see a little bit more about how I work, what I do every single day. And I thought it was always just about making money. And what I realized, it was about creating value. Over the years, there's been incredible mentors in my life. And this is the way I kind of pay tribute to not only them, but how I pay it forward. But people like Jim Rohn, Robert Allen, Dennis Waitley, Les Brown, Tony Robbins, Susie Orsman, Robert Kiyosaki, Zig Ziglar, Brian Tracy, Earl Nightingale, Darren Hardy, John Waxwell, and of course, Napoleon Hill. Nice and even.
Okay.
Hey, feet right. Take your time. Good job.
Let me on the other hole.
Okay, maybe on the other hole. Good man. So what I do every single day, I go through a series of 6 principles. And these principles is what I call the wheel of life. It's how life works. There's being, brain, body, time, people, and money. These are the habits, these are the principles that I've used over the years, okay, to help build an incredible, incredible life, and I'm going to help you do the exact same thing. I've got books from so many other people in my library, either originals or signed copies or personal copies, and I've also been to a lot of these mentors' workshops, weekends, and spent time understanding how they think. And this has led to what we do in our 3-day workshop. If you want to be successful, you have to start changing the way you think, which leads to better actions, it leads to better choices, which leads to much better consequences in your life. So I can't wait to see you at one of our upcoming workshops. Register now because seating is limited. Please go to 8020365.com, look for the event section, and save your seat. See you real soon. Take care. Bye-bye.
I'm going to show you what I do with my life every single day. I have a plan that doesn't fail. I have a plan that doesn't fail because it's built on 6 principles in my life.